Good morning, second graders. Today is Tuesday, April 28th, 2020. In this video, I'm just going to go over what you need to do today, and then I'll make another video with your answers to Math 180 in your daily language review. So this is your specials link. Please be sure to check that out and do your specials assignments. So today we have specials, reading. You're doing daily language review, week 34. Reading with someone else in your house for 30 minutes. Try to pick someone new. You're drawing and writing about a shark on page 56. Try and make that informational. See what information you can find either on Brain Pop or Discovery Ed about sharks and make that factual. Lunch and recess, take that 60-minute break. Then math, you're going to do Math 180, day 147. You're going to complete a blue math journal called Solve for the Area. Just remember, no matter how you feel, you should get up, dress up, show up, and never give up. So today for daily language review, Tuesday of week 34, correct those sentences. Which words rhyme? Tell a make-believe sentence about a flower, so that's something that's not true. And then tell me something that is true about a flower. Again, you're going to read with someone in your house. It could be your sibling, it could be a dog, it could be anyone that's in your house. You're writing about a shark, draw your picture, follow those steps, and then please try and find factual information about the shark. Math 180, you have to order your numbers from largest to smallest. Don't get tricked here. You're adding, subtracting, filling in the blank, coloring the shape with 3 sides, circling the solid that takes up less space. This is talking about the area, so perfect practice. Looking at the graph and identifying data from it, and then circling the number sentence that matches the picture. So you have to think about these pictures down here and what makes sense up here. This is your area paper you are solving for. So it says cut around the dotted lines and fold the solid to create a pop-up. Glue the blank side of the pop-up to your journal. So you're going to cut this out as a whole rectangle. And then you're gluing this blank side down, so you're folding it in half. And then it should be like a foldable. So if this side is down, then you can write on the other side what the area answer is. Remember, if they're in equal groups, we talked about length times width. So think about what the length is, what the width is. Can you use repeated addition, or do you know your multiplication? Don't give up. We can talk about it because it's Talk About It Tuesday.